Welcome back to Cooking with Rashee. Today we're making a super creamy and flavorful Palak Paneer Bhurji. This warm, creamy dish is perfect when you're in the mood for some comfort food, so let's start cooking. We'll first heat up our whole milk because we're using fresh paneer for this recipe. Keep it on medium-low to low heat. We just want it to reach a gentle simmer. Meanwhile, heat your pan and add some neutral oil like avocado oil, which has a high smoke point, perfect for sauteing. Add in some butter and then toss in your cumin seeds and let them dance in the hot oil for about 20 to 30 seconds. Next, add a tablespoon of besan and roast it for about 1 to 2 minutes until it changes to a slightly golden color. When it changes to a golden color, that's how we know that the raw taste of besan is gone. Besan is added to give the dish a little thickness, and it also will add a nutty flavor. Now we'll add in finely chopped onions and let them cook for 5 to 6 minutes until soft and lightly brown. This builds the base of our gravy. Quick check on the milk. Give it a gentle stir so it doesn't stick to the bottom. Back to the onions. Add a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and cook for 1 to 2 minutes until the raw aroma disappears. Now add chopped tomatoes and a little tomato puree. Add a little water and cover for 5 minutes to soften the tomatoes. Uncover and gently mash the tomatoes to create a smooth base. Now we'll add all of our spices, which I listed in the description box, along with their measurements. Mix this really well. We'll also add in some Kashmiri chili powder. This is just for color and doesn't add heat. Now add roughly chopped palak or spinach and give it a good mix so it starts to wilt nicely. Time to check our milk. It should be warm and ready. A light simmer. Turn the gas off and slowly stir in lime juice around the milk, not in one spot, so it curdles evenly. Once the milk curdles, take a slotted spoon and scoop out the fresh paneer and add it directly to the palak gravy. Gently fold everything together, mixing gently. Finally, sprinkle a little garam masala on top for that warm aromatic finish. Also, crush a little kasuri methi in your hands and add it. And that's it. Our delicious Palak Paneer Bhurji is ready. Serve this dish hot with roti or rice. This dish is so delicious and super comforting. Thanks so much for cooking with me today. Don't forget to like this video, share, and subscribe for more easy, delicious recipes just like this. I'll see you soon in a new video.